Easter Pulichappam. Take 1 teaspoon yeast. Add sugar, warm milk. Mix well and keep aside. Grind soaked black gram. In a saucepan, add rice flour, sugar and water. Cook on low flame until it thickens. To the palappam flour, add the fermented mixture. Ground black gram, salt and rice flour mixture. Mix thoroughly. Add milk as required. Keep aside for 4 hours or till fermented. Heat oil in a pan. Saute the shallots and curry leaves until the shallots soften. Heat an appachatti. Pour batter and spread. Cook covered. Add sauteed shallots and curry leaves. Flip the appam and cook covered. The Easter Pulichappam is ready to be relished.